The door seal is an integral part of your W&H Lisa Steriliser. This means that regular maintenance is required to ensure the safe operation of your steriliser. Inadequate maintenance often leads to faults and malfunctions. Use original W&H products only. This will ensure that your Lisa Steriliser works correctly and ensures that your warranty remains valid. Before carrying out regular maintenance on your steriliser, ensure that current health and safety at work regulations and accident prevention regulations are being observed to avoid cross-infection and cross-contamination. For your own safety, wear protective gloves and goggles at all times. Select the icon on the display to begin the animation showing how to replace the door seal. Before replacing the door seal, switch off the steriliser and pull the plug from the socket. The door seal should be replaced at regular intervals after 800 cycles or once a year, whichever comes first. By replacing the door seal, you will ensure that your steriliser is always hermetically sealed. This is vital in order for the steriliser to function correctly and to avoid cycle failures. Clean the door seal regularly with a damp, lint-free cloth, as described in your instruction manual. If you notice any defects in the door seal, it must be replaced immediately. Your Lisa Steriliser notifies you automatically when your door seal has reached its expiry date and needs to be replaced. You also have the option to display on the screen the cycles remaining for the door seal under the Maintenance menu option. No special tools are required to replace the door seal. The door seal can be replaced by the user. Bear in mind that your Lisa Steriliser heats up the sterilisation chamber and all surfaces in contact with the chamber may be hot. Allow the steriliser to cool down until you can touch the surfaces without any risk of injury. Do not replace the door seal until the sterilisation chamber has completely cooled. To replace the door seal, hold the chamber door steady and remove the door seal completely from the chamber door. Before inserting the new door seal, clean the groove and the outer edge of the sterilisation chamber with a damp, lint-free cloth. Moisten the new door seal with water before inserting it to make it easier to manoeuvre into place. In the groove of the door seal, there are 4 marks at 3, 6, 9 and 12 o'clock. These marks will help you to insert the door seal correctly without overstretching it. The markings on the door seal correspond to those on the groove and act as an insertion aid. Press the door seal into the groove, first at the top and bottom and then on the left and right-hand sides. The remaining sections of the door seal can now be pressed evenly into place. Correct insertion of the door seal will prevent air leakage during the sterilisation cycle. Wipe off any water left on the door seal, chamber door or sterilisation chamber following insertion of the door seal. On the screen, navigate to the Maintenance menu and manually reset the counter for the door seal by confirming its replacement. Resetting the counter guarantees that you will be prompted to carry out maintenance again automatically after another 800 cycles. Return to Cycle Selection to ensure that your Lisa Steriliser is ready for normal operation again. Before using your Lisa Steriliser in normal operation, carry out a vacuum test to check that the chamber door is leak-proof. The Lisa Steriliser saves the digital test reports in the device memory and also on the USB stick if available. More instructional videos on how to carry out a vacuum test and helix test cycle can be found at wh.com.
W&H. People have priority.